market are up 14.44% from last January, and 30% more are coming soon. It's Friday, January 24th, 2025. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty. This is the weekly Maryland Eastern Shore report. While there is more inventory listed for sale, new contracts are down 18% year over year. Though properties sold rose 23% this January compared to last. Right now, active inventory for sale fell again this week to 1,547. Homes coming soon are up again this week to 101 properties. New contracts are up 131 properties since last week and going under contract in 58 days, which is up from last report. 82 homes settled at 96.4% list to sold ratio, with days on the market falling to 35 days this week. Homes for lease rose to 139 at $2,000 median dollars per month. And that's a wrap for this week's Maryland Eastern Shore report for Friday, January 24th, 2025. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. Stay safe and warm. I'll see you next Friday. Take care.